panel to cover the air filter because there's a massive hole in the side of the bike and I hate it. Now, what I didn't realise when I ordered this is there are clips on the bike that need nipples to hold in. They go in these holes. They look like this. Now, I didn't order any, didn't know I needed them, which was a bit silly. Now, I could pay £1.50 and wait a few days, but because I am a patient man, I've decided, no, I don't need to do that. So my idea is, upon looking at these nipples, they're basically a pair and a screw. So I've got some screws, and I plan to chop the middle section out of these, so I've got a bit of threads and a bit of metal. I'll turn it into a pair, and it will work wonders. So let's give that a go.